Adam araba eliyle çekiyor lan. Kurtardı vallahi arabayı. Bir de yardım edin de. Vallahi benim canım var.
The impact of heavy rain in Adana. Several roads and highways are flooded. Heavy rain that started falling since the afternoon in the city center continues to have an impact periodically. Water puddles formed on several roads in the city center and Çukurova district, causing traffic disruptions. Vehicles were stranded on several roads due to the rain. The heavy rain that hit Adana turned roads and lanes into lakes. Following the heavy rain warning issued by the General Directorate of Meteorology during the day, vehicles had difficulty moving. A tree fell on Şair Street, causing the road to be closed. Police teams took precautions at intersections due to heavy rain that negatively affected lives. Municipal teams also started working to drain the water that had accumulated on roads and highways. Due to heavy rain in Adana, roads and highways were flooded. A digger truck got stuck in a hole and overturned on the road that turned into a lake due to heavy rain on Fezapasa Street.
Eyvah. Bir çöp bidonu Kızı kanalına Yaren Hanım'a doğru geliyor.
Drivers affected by traffic and residents on the road experienced difficulties due to the rain that started in the morning in the city and lasted for about 2 hours. The parking lot of the central bus terminal and the metal industry site in Seyhan district almost turned into a lake. Industrial workers said that their workplaces and materials were submerged in water and they became victims. Saying that they always face the same situation during heavy rains, the traders stated that Adana is still idle in terms of infrastructure.